Hi, hello and welcome to another video. Today we have the K&N air filter, so let's see what's inside the box.
Ini the beginning. Yeah. In the beginning.
We'll be swapping it on my KTM RC 200. So let's see how the bike sounds with the stock air filter. The process is pretty simple. First, we'll have to remove the side fairings from both sides. So you can see 1, 2 and 3. These 3 are removed. Next up, we'll be removing the seat covers so that we can access the battery cover and the fuel cover. Once we remove this, we'll be able to access the air filter as well. There's a small wire over here. You just need to pull this in order to pop the battery cover. Now we'll be removing the fuel cover. So for that we'll need a size 4 Allen key and then remove this bolt from both sides. Now once that is done, we'll be removing the fuel cap. So all the 8 bolts has to be removed from here, and then only then you'll be able to lift the fuel cover off. And then we have these 2 bolts over here as well. So we'll have to take these off as well to remove the fuel cover. We'll then remove the fuel cap. For this you'll have to unlock it and then slowly lift it up. Now that this is off, we'll need to slide the side panels outward to unlock the fuel tank cover. This part might need a bit of force. Just grip both sides firmly and give it a controlled pull. You'll have to do this on both sides. So once it's unclipped, the fuel tank cover will lift off easily. Once everything comes off, make sure you cover the fuel tank's opening so that no dust or anything falls inside it. You'll now have to remove the bolts that's holding the fuel tank in place, because to remove the cover of the air filter, you will have to lift the fuel tank a little up. Only then you'll be able to remove. Now you can see that I've removed the air filter's cover, and you can see the air filter inside it. So this is how the stock air filter looks. It's all dusty, and this is the new K&N air filter. So let's go ahead and swap these out. The process from here is fairly simple. You just have to put the air filter back and then do everything in reverse. Before we cover everything, let's start the bike and see how it sounds. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, ride safe, stay curious and keep wrenching on those machines.